Achieving success in any area, whether it's health, entrepreneurship, or mastering new skills, requires an unwavering commitment to self-discipline. In this video, we'll uncover 5 powerful rules to help you forge an unbreakable self-discipline and unlock your true potential. Let's dive in. Rule 1. Crystallize your vision. A well-defined goal provides a clear roadmap to success, ensuring you stay laser-focused and inspired even when facing obstacles. So dig deep and ask yourself, what specific, ambitious goal do you want to achieve? Make it bold and vivid. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, exemplifies the power of a crystal-clear vision. Driven by his ambitious goal of creating an everything store, Bezos has overcome numerous challenges and setbacks, ultimately transforming the landscape of e-commerce and becoming one of the world's wealthiest individuals. His unwavering pursuit of this audacious vision demonstrates how a clear goal can fuel unbreakable self-discipline. Rule 2. Commit to consistency. Create a daily routine that aligns with your goals and remain unwavering in its execution. It's the small, consistent steps that accumulate into remarkable results over time. Usain Bolt, the world's fastest man and multiple Olympic gold medalist, showcases the potency of consistency. Despite facing injuries and competition, Bolt maintained a rigorous training routine. His dedication to consistently working on his craft, even under challenging circumstances, propelled him to become a world record-breaking sprinter and an iconic athlete. Rule 3. Vanquish procrastination. The nemesis of progress is procrastination. To overcome this insidious habit, develop effective time management strategies. Prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and hold yourself ruthlessly accountable. Margaret Atwood, a prolific author and poet, exemplifies the art of vanquishing procrastination. Known for her disciplined approach to writing, Atwood maintains a consistent writing schedule, allocating specific hours of her day to focus solely on her craft. Her ability to stay disciplined and avoid procrastination has resulted in an extensive body of work spanning novels, essays, and poetry, earning her numerous prestigious awards and worldwide acclaim. Rule 4. Turn failure into fuel. Embrace setbacks as invaluable learning experiences that cultivate resilience and personal growth. Your most powerful lessons often emerge from the ashes of failure. Thomas Edison, the iconic inventor and entrepreneur, epitomizes the art of turning failure into fuel. Famously known for his perseverance in the face of countless setbacks, Edison's unwavering determination led him to develop groundbreaking innovations, including the phonograph and the electric light bulb. His tenacity and refusal to be deterred by failure allowed him to amass over 1,000 patents in his name, ultimately shaping the course of history and transforming modern life as we know it. Rule 5. Master the process. The final rule for unbreakable self-discipline is to master the process. While having a clear goal is essential, true mastery comes from focusing on the journey, breaking your goals into manageable tasks and remaining fully present in each moment. Arnold Schwarzenegger, a legendary bodybuilder, actor, and politician, exemplifies the power of process-driven success. He dissected each of his pursuits into smaller components, relentlessly refining his skills in bodybuilding, acting, and eventually politics. By focusing on the process of honing his abilities, he was able to achieve unparalleled success in multiple domains. By integrating these powerful rules into your daily life, you'll develop the self-discipline needed to conquer any goal you set your mind to. So are you ready to unlock the power of unbreakable self-discipline? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time,